Are you tired of posting stuff on the social web that gets no engagement, no traction, no likes, no shares? Well, of course you are. And today, you're gonna be able to fix that. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and I'm gonna share with you why your social media content is garbage and how to fix that. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel so when I release more videos and more marketing tips like this, you'll get notified. Question for you. How many of you get at least 100 likes on whatever you're sharing on the social web? If you are, leave a comment with yes. If you aren't, leave a comment with no. Doesn't matter what social profile, whether it's LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to get really good traction. The first tip I have for you is to start posting video content. Whether it's YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, even Twitter, they're all craving video content. You need to be pushing more out there. They're trying to crush the television networks out there. Even LinkedIn. LinkedIn now has a live feature. Video does way better than anything else. If you post videos, you'll get way more engagement than if you didn't. I found with my channel, I usually get 4 or 5 times more engagement just by posting video content over text-based. So start with that. The second tip I have for you is don't be so preoccupied about being perfect. Everyone's like, oh my God, I gotta pose, I gotta wear makeup, I gotta be perfect before I take a picture or I post something. Nothing has to be perfect. Just put it out there and see what works. It's all about testing. The stuff that's working is what you should do more of. When you post stuff and it doesn't do well, you shouldn't keep posting that same stuff over and over again. And that's what you're doing right now. A lot of people are like, let me put these images of quotes. But if you're not getting traction of those images with quotes on LinkedIn or on Facebook, stop posting them. They're not gonna do any better for you. You gotta post stuff that is doing well. It's all about testing. And when you're testing, you don't have to be perfect. Just go with the flow. The next tip I have for you is leverage micro content. Everyone's like, I gotta go out there and create content, and they make this whole ordeal of it. Film your life. Film your day in the office. Talk about your customers. Talk about your products or services. If you're giving a speech, cool, give that speech. And when you have all this information, cut it up into bite-sized information, 5-minute clips, 2-minute clips, quick images here and there, add a quote, and test throwing it all out there, because then you can use this micro content to drive traffic to that main piece of content. It'll help you get 3, 4, 5 times more views than if you just focus on these big pieces of content. Because when you only focus on this big piece of content, it's hit or miss. But when you do 10 of them, you have 10 shots at doing really well, and that'll tell you, hey, this is what you should do more of, and this is what you should do less of. The next tip is what works on one social network won't work on all. I'm seeing a huge trend right now. Everyone's like, they take the same content, they put it on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and they're like, this is what I'm doing. Well, let me tell you something. What works on Instagram won't work on Facebook. Good example of this, I can put images with quotes and do really well on Instagram, but Facebook doesn't care about that. You gotta figure out what's working for each social network and do that for that network. Each algorithm isn't the same. And last but not least, have your edge. There's something unique about you. Exploit that, leverage that, be yourself. Everyone tries to be someone else on the social web. Who cares what people think? By being yourself, you're gonna be much better off than if you're just trying to act a certain way just for Instagram or just for YouTube or just for Facebook. Leverage your edge. If you're someone who likes cussing because that's just you, be you. If you're someone who's dorky and nerdy like me, I'm me. I don't try to go out there and pose with, male models and female models. I'm myself. I release informative technical content because that's just me. Be yourself and leverage your edge. Now, if you follow these techniques, you're gonna be much more popular on the social web. Your content won't be garbage. People are gonna like, share, and engage with it. And if you need help getting more traffic, check out my ad agency, Patel Digital. If you enjoyed this content, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.